PM Group Technical Campus, which is one of the finest engineering education facility in India. To meet the diverse need of the Indian industries, especially in the field of aviation and engineering, we are credited for constant upgradation of our engineering facility to match the highly changing competitive industrial requirement. Our graduates have accepted this challenge through highly specialized skill, which is important through intense campus learning. Our 38 acres of green campus with state-of-art facility and highly qualified and experienced faculties have immensely boosted the success of our graduates. A strong